Morning everybody, welcome to sunny Weymouth again. Well, my shed's down and I've got this area here marked out of where my new shed is going to go. Yeah. And this area here is where my greenhouse is going to go. And you're going to have to walk into the greenhouse to get into the shed. So I've still got all that space behind for any wood or anything, and all this space here for the dog to play. Yeah, so that's looking good. I put this little bivvy up now, look, so at least if it rains I can sit in that and stay dry. Oh, the things we do. The things we do. Right, let's take you out here a minute. Sorry, it's a bit windy. I want to show you my potatoes because they are growing really well. These are the ones that was already in January. Do you remember? You see them? They're growing nicely now. I don't have to chop them up or anything. What do you call it? Earth them up. I don't have to do that. Some more there, I don't know if you can see it. I won't have to do that because I put that straw on top. And now I'm going to show you my tadpoles. I have got millions of them. Millions. There's some more. They're all sunbathing. I haven't seen any with legs yet, but they've all fattened up now and they look like they're ready to get the legs. So there's my raspberries, they're growing. They are black currants, which somebody gave me. They said just stick them in the ground and they'll grow. And lo and behold, they're growing. Brilliant. And I've planted my peas. Oh, hopefully the pigeons don't get them. I've planted them all the way along there. So let's keep our fingers crossed. We haven't even got the water turned on yet. That's going to be my bonfire. I'm going to start off with that little bonfire there and then just put it on slowly, but I can't really do it today because it's a lovely day and there's, sorry about the wind, there's like houses all the way around and they might have their washing out, so it's not really fair. Yeah. So I need to water my potatoes. I haven't watered them yet, and it hasn't rained since I planted these two. It's rained since I planted them two, but not them other two. So back in a minute. Right. Yes, I'm on. Seeing as I can't do anything like in this area till I get my shed, which I'm hoping is going to be in about 1 week's time. This that I put my onions in, there's a cat or something laying on top of it. I'm not going to blame cats for everything, although I'd like to. So I'm going to build this. I've hammered some bits of wood in and I'm going to just build this around it so as I can actually get in from the top, just to stop whatever it is that's getting in, because there's lots and lots of little footprints here. So I'll come back to you when I finished it. So that's another little job done. So that's higher now. So when the onions grow, they will be able to grow in there quite high. And what I've done is, if I can just show you, you can undo this and to be able to fully get into it. So that's another job done. All these little jobs. It feels really good, isn't it, when you're going home and you look at it and think, yep, that's done. Now here on my mosquito net, I found a big hole and there's no nail there or anything, so I reckon that some animal has either wanted to get in or it's got in somewhere else and got out. But I haven't got a needle and thread at the minute, so even if it was stretched up like that, it wouldn't be able to do anything. So I'm going to have to bring a needle and thread and sew it back up, because I don't want them carrot flies getting in there. God, it's so hot today, it's bloody lovely. And there's like nobody here. I'm here on my own. Well, I know why, but yeah, you've got to get out and get some exercise. It's lovely. I had my dog down here early, Boris, and he gets bored really quickly, so I took him home. I should be going to get him shortly to take him out for a walk. I might bring him back down here again, just to do a little bit more. He don't mind coming down for an hour. I'll do him. So now, people, because my path is so uneven here and I need to find something to fill that hole in, all this bit here is all banked up. I don't want to keep falling over this. So you can see there's a bit of a race to it. So I'm digging slowly all that out and putting it on that path, which is going to take a while. So I'm just going to do a bit of that, then like I said, I'm going to go home and see Boris, take him out. So on this lovely sunny day in Weymouth, I will bid you goodbye. Please put a like, a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you didn't like it, tell me why, and I can try and change things. Alright, and a comment would be lovely. Alright, I'll speak to you all later. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.